Okay, vampires everywhere told everybody to take a video if it's raining, and here it's raining, so we're taking video. Hi.
And let me get closer to the pool. We're out here in booty shorts. See, and barefoot, so it's kind of cold. Look at the rain.
Where are we going?
To the pool. And there's the ripples in the pool. I don't know if you can see that, but that's it in the sky. Rain in my eye.
In the sky, rain in my eye. Oh, hi.
I don't.
Coffee.
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 And I'm standing in a puddle. Oh.
Oh, puddles. Oh, no, my feet are all dirty. This is about the stupidest way to play in the rain ever.
Okay, you want to say bye?
Bye.